Hello, welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, we'll be looking at square of sum. Without having to expand, how do you deal with a plus b raised to power 2, for instance? Easy. All you just need to do, take the first number, a, square it, then plus, take the second number, okay, plus now. Um, These two, bring it down. Then the first number, A, multiply that. Then the second number, B, multiply that with that. Then plus, take the second number, B, and square it. So in all, you just have A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. And that goes. Okay. So next, imagine you have 2x plus 3y squared. Just like I said, the first number, square it, plus the power that is this 2 power, just bring it down, and then the first 2x, have it there. The second one, you have it, that's 3y, and lastly you have 3y squared. So now you can expand. So 2x squared, 2x all squared, that's 4x squared. Next, you have 2 times 2x, that's 4x. 4x times 3y, that is 12y. Okay, so that is plus 12y. And lastly, you have 3y squared. 3 squared is 9, y squared, y raised by 2 is y squared. And that's how that goes. All right, so the next one is m plus 6n squared. Again, take the first m, square it, then this power to bring it down, multiply by the m, and then multiply by 6n, and lastly you have 6n all raised to power 2. So expand all of this. So you have m raised to power 2, that's m squared, then 2 times m, 2m times 6n, that is 12mn, 12mn. Finally, plus 6n squared. 6 is 36, then n squared. That's how that goes. Then you have y plus 7 squared. Again, you have y squared plus 2 multiplied by y and 7, then plus 7 itself, all squared. So try to tidy this up. Y squared is here, plus 2 times y times 7. 2 times 7 is 14, so you have 14y. And lastly, you have 7 squared, and that is 49. So how do you deal with p plus 3q raised to power 2? Like that. All right, for more tricks like this, follow me, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any video that comes after now. Till I see you again, have a great time. Bye.